In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Trello board so it looks more professional, more organized, and a lot more fun to use. We'll cover how to change your board background with colors or unsplash photos, how to add eye-catching card covers, how to use stickers to make your tasks stand out, and how to enable power-ups for extra functionality. By the end of this tutorial, your Trello board won't just work better, it'll look better too. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's customize your Trello board background. Open Trello and go to the board you want to edit. In the top right corner, click on the menu button, then select Settings and choose Change Background. Here you'll see two main options, Colors and Photos. If you prefer a clean and minimal look, choose one of the solid color backgrounds. This is great for professional projects or team workspaces. If you want something more visually engaging, switch to the Photos tab. Trello integrates directly with Unsplash, so you can choose from a huge library of high-quality images. You can also use the search bar to find specific themes, like office, nature, tech, or productivity. Once you click on an image, it instantly applies to your board. Choose something that matches the mood and purpose of your project. Next, let's add card covers to make your task stand out. Click on any card on your board to open it. Inside the card, click on Cover. Here you can select a solid color or upload your own image. You can also use from Unsplash photos again. Card covers are perfect for visually separating different types of tasks. For example, you might use one color for urgent tasks and another for completed work. You can also toggle the option to make the cover display fully or just as a label strip across the top of the card. This small customization can make a big difference in how quickly you scan your board and identify priorities. Now let's talk about stickers. Stickers are a fun way to add personality and visual cues to your cards. Open a card, click on Stickers in the right-hand menu, and browse the available options. Trello offers a variety of themed stickers, from simple icons to playful graphics. Once you select a sticker, you can drag and position it anywhere on the card. While stickers don't change functionality, they're great for highlighting important tasks, celebrating completed milestones, or simply making your board more engaging, especially if you're collaborating with a team. Finally, let's enable power-ups to unlock extra features. Power-ups extend Trello's functionality and can seriously improve your workflow. To enable one, click on the menu in the top right corner of your board and select Power-ups. You'll see a searchable list of available integrations and tools. Popular power-ups include Calendar View, which lets you see cards with due dates in a calendar layout, Google Drive for attaching files, and automation tools like Butler to create rules and commands. Click Add next to any power-up you want to enable. Depending on your Trello plan, you may have limits on how many you can use, so choose the ones that best support your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to change your Trello board background, add card covers, use stickers, and enable power-ups to fully customize your board. A well-designed board not only looks great, but also helps you stay organized and productive. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.